Welcome everybody, sasama ko sa mga nag-reserve. Acoustic version na po kami ngayon. Doon po namin ba ng mga love song. Happy Valentine's Day sa lahat. Let's enjoy the night. Sisimulan natin po siya. Mas sa mga Marco's spaces.
Siyempre muna ganyan mo.
Akin na para ilalagay na. Naka-record na po.
Special girl like you, from a simple guy that's so in love with you. I don't have much to show. I'll diamonds like you. Only message to take you where you go. Tired of all the games you play, when the world seems so unfair, you can count on me to stay some time to let you near to this ordinary song. Just an ordinary song. Special girl like you, from a simple guy that's so in love with you. We even have the lust to make you dance my way. The clothes I wear, they just seem so absurd. Just the two of us. With the rainbows fall and the beauty of Oh, just the two of us, it's in we try, just the two of us, you and I. Oh, just the two of us, just the two of us, just the two of us, you and I. With a full of tears, with the water holding in, and it'll make the flower grow. It'll take my don't you wait, but I'm gonna don't you wait today. We got to go for home, oh, just the two of us. We'll be dancing in the sky, just the two of us, just the two of us. Oh, just the two of us, just the two of us, just the two of us, you and I. Just the two of us. Pinagpapawisan ka dyan. Nag-iisa ka dyan, pinagpapawisan ka.
Sige,
Anong meron? Okay, na next song naman. Ano yan? Nakakatakot ko. Next song naman natin is from Edwin McCain. This is I'll Be. One of my favorites. Version of the Nabanag sa mga sa ating third song. Cheers for everyone. Happy Valentine's Day. Become a gentle, wonderful sound, still my way. Railroads for the mountains, trust to the sky, but never reveal the day. Tell me to we belong together, cause love with the trappings of love, I'll be I'll head for yours, set off the guys, the wanted the land from above. If you know the sound, you sing me, and I'll be your quiet shoulder, but I'll be lost inside. And I'll be better when I'm older, but I'll be love is alive from the dead. Tell me that we belong together. Christian, with the trappings of love, I'll be captivated. I'll head for your house, set off the guys, the wanting the land from above. sugar, burner, I fought my way back from the dead. Children, turn on the bell, but it seems you say untuk yang apa sih dah nangsa kayak apa bro so pasti busuk she's in just for me. Then the moon picks for the cloud. Hear my heart and beat so loud. Try to tell her. And I'm saying something to bring my heart as I can see it. Try to tell her. Then I've got all that I need, running with the passenger seat. Knowing I can keep my eyes on the road, knowing that she's in just for me. Knowing I've got all that I need, running with the passengers knowing I can keep my eyes on the road, knowing that she's in just for me. Knowing I know this right here in the passenger seat, knowing I can keep my eyes on the road, knowing that she's in just for me. Knowing I've got all that I need, right here in the passenger seat. Knowing I can keep my eyes on the road, knowing that she's ain't just for me. Knowing I've got all that I need, right here in the passenger seat. Next naman tayo, isa sa mga original from PS nag-revive ni Jan, nag-revive ng Mayonnaise. Acoustic version namin, iba't patalo. Sa mga taong mabilis ng YouTube. Alam ko kaya lang tayo nagtatagpo, ngunit parang sa'yo ayaw na lumayo. Ipagpatawad mo ako ba'y naguguluhan. Di ka masisi na ako'y pagkahan. Di na dapat ako pagtiwalaan. Alam ko kailangan tayo nagtatagpo, ngunit parang sa'yo ayaw na lumayo. Ipagpatawad mo, inahan kita agad. Ito na yung order. Ito na yung order. Tawag ko. Ito na yung order. Kesa naman tayo medyo magbago-bago tayo kanta. Ito sa mga katubig niya. Ito wa ako. Ayun yung lugo. Ayun. Itong kanta ko, narinig ko lang sa Facebook. Facebook. Sa Facebook ko sa makeup ko. Sa Facebook ko. This is a buko. In short na buhay ko. During bunga. Para sa mga bumabagets dyan. This buko ko yun. Sa dating tumbuhan, puro ano ko. Marinig ko lamang ang mga himig mo. Di ko madala kung nasa ka. Wala mong tayo ko, komunikasya. Maghihintay sa'yo, buo na bunga. A song for a person. Nanahimik na ang buhay niyo. Nanahimik na ako. Natapusan ang biblisan lang namin ito para makainom na ako kapag ang dyan na. Ayan, this is work po namin ito na ako. Ano tayo guys? Siya na sa That's our first set mga kaibigan. Salamat sa pagkikinig nyo. Okay, abangan nyo naman. Susunod naman ang Exodus Dancers. Mga malulapit na makatikas. Ito po sila. Give it a round of applause. Exodus Dancers. Thank you very much. Happy Valentine's Day. Napagay ko sa akin.
You promised me,
The high school days. This is Hara. Gusto pa ba ang meron na marahil ikaw ay nagtataka? Sino ba to? Itong gago nagkadara pa sa pagkaka na nasisintonado sa kaba. Mga rosas suot na may baong yakabas na ba ang pagkada ng kapong nagbabaro sa awiting daigban -1 at sinulong puno ang langit na bituin kinamig pa na hangin sulong tingin ako'y nababaliw giliw at sa awitin ko ito sana'y maibig ko ibubuhos ko ang puso ko sa isang kunting halaga para sa'yo. Isang sine, isang pelikula, bumahagi ko. Hindi ba ikaw ay umilang artista at ako ay lilibang sa istorya na wawakas sa pag-ibig na wagas. Puno ang langit na bituin at kinamig pa ng hangin. Siyong tingin ako'y nababaliw giliw at sa awitin kong ito sana'y maibigan mo. Ibubuhos ko ang puso ko sa isang kunting halaga para sa'yo. Nangarana ko, basket ako. Eh, next one naman natin ay...
Abot ka sa tenga. Abot ka sa iya, tingnan mo.
Ito sila naman natin. Yung sa tuloy pa rin. Sino ba kumanta nito? Sino ba kumanta nito? Mag-microphone ka. May microphone sa atong mo. Hello? Gamitin mo. Naka-on yan. Libre yan. Ilang bayan? Hello? This is tuloy pa rin. Kung sino man yung kumanta nito. Ano ba like this song? Hindi pa rin ako makikita ng couple. Naghanap ako ng couple eh. Gusto ko kasal. Walang sweet. Diba? Kasi kung nakakainis nag-valentine sa akin, couple. Sarap sabihin. Sweet-sweet ka naman para sa atin ang buwan. Walang bigo. Just tuloy pa rin. Bago bawi na, muntik na mamatay ako sa aking pag-iisa. Walang na pagkas ng kahapon ko. Tuloy pa rin ang awit ng buhay ko, bago makahugis ng puso mo. Dadakot ang bunin ng aking mundo, pagkatuloy pa rin. Tuloy pa rin. Minsan ay yung muli, namin ko kaya tagal ba ako malimit na ito. Hindi muling iwan natin pag-ibig. Alam mo ba yan, tanggap na totoo ka. Katotohanan ito, tuloy pa rin ang buhay ko, bago makahugis ang puso mo. Tandaan ko ang buhay ng aking mundo, pagkatuloy pa rin. Tuloy pa rin ang awit ng buhay ko, bago makahugis ang puso mo. Sana'y ako sa aking pag-iisa. Iwanan na wakas ng kahapon ko. Hindi pa rin ang awit ng buhay ko, bago makahugis ang puso ko. Yan ako ang buhay ng aking mundo, pagkatuloy pa rin. Hugis ng puso mo, tandaan ako ang muli ng aking mundo, pagkatuloy pa rin. Tuloy pa rin. Next one naman natin, one of my personal favorites. This is Skype King from Zone. Di ko makinig, di Asahan mo na kahit kailan di kita iiwan. Kahit kailan di kita pababayaan. Pag-ibig na wala ka. Ang siyang nais kong magkatay, ngayon ay narito ko, hanggang magbibinig sa iyo. Isipin walang hanggan, asahan mo na kahit kailan di kita iiwan. Kahit kailan di kita pababayaan. Kung ikaw ay mawala sa piling ko, di na alam kung kakayanin pa kaya umibig pa muli. Kahit na ano pang mangyayari, di maaaring ipagpalit. Sasamahan pa kita hanggang sa huli. Hindi magbabago. Let's go. Makatayo ba ito? Pambitin mo ko. English naman tayo. This is di ba alin alam? Saan ba mo ito? Saan ba ito? Ha? Galing ba ito? Ano? Kaalam ko talaga sa ubi. Bakit ba rin siya na ubi pa na? Sabi ko sa akin sa binilang, kaya ko naman ay sigurado na ako na dapat nagpapilad na oo. Tingnan na lang ang bago ang isip niya, hindi ko ang kailan na ito siya. Ngunit mahal ko siya. Di bale na lang, di bale na lang, di bale na lang. Bale na lang, di bale na lang, di bale na lang. Isip ko, ako bigla na naman nagbago ang isip niya. Nagkakaroon tinawa pa sa likod siya. Pagkat sinabi ko'y di mabili, baka mapahiya muli. Hindi ko na alam kung makakaya pa. Di bale na lang kaya sa puso niya, di bale na lang kaya. Ngunit mahal ko siya. Di bale na lang, di bale na lang, di bale na lang. Di bale na lang, di bale na lang, di bale na lang. Bakit ka lumamita? Ano ba kaya pala? Pero kailangan mo naman ako. Di bale na. Kalimutan natin yung nangyari. Kung mag-English na lang. Hindi pa gusto mag-English eh. Nabubulan ako mag-Tagalog.
Inglesin mo!
Yes. You know what? I know center. You know what? I know English because I know center. Yes, I know center.
Spell call center.
I don't know.
K-O-N-N. Call center. Okay, next on natin, this is So Sick from Neo. So sick. Sakit na. Sakit na. Oh yeah. We'll change my answering machine now that I'm alone. 'Cause right now it's just the way. Can't come to the phone, and I know it makes no sense. 'Cause you walk out the door, but it's the only way I hear your voice anymore. It's ridiculous, it's been months for some reason that you can't get over us. Now I'm stronger than this. You invaded us. No one walking around with my head down. I'm so over blue, riding on with you. Said I'm so sick of yourself, so tired of tears, so done with wishing you were still here. Said I'm so sick of yourself, so sad and slow. So why can't I turn off the radio? Change the calendar I have. It's more July 15, because it says there's no more years. That's no anniversary. I'm so fed up of my thoughts of you and your memory. And now every song reminds me of what used to be. That's the reason I'm so sick of your song, so tired of tears, so done with wishing you were still here. Said I'm so sick of your song, so sad and slow. So why get out to off the radio? So tired of tears, so done with wishing you were still here. Said I'm so sick of your song, so sad and slow. Why can't I turn off the radio? One more time. Said I'm so sick of your song, so tired of tears, so done with wishing you were still here. Said I'm so sick of your song, so sad and slow. So why can't I turn off the radio? I just got to off the radio. Next na naman natin, this is a song from Bruno Mars. It's a remix version, acoustic remix version of Bruno Mars. This is Nothing On Me. Teka nga dyan! Teka lang! Teka lang! Sakit ang ulo ko to! Teka lang! Sumakit ang ulo ko to! Na-stress ako sa'yo! Ayusin mo! Okay. If I told you I was perfect, girl, alive. If there's something I'm doing, girl, I'll try. No, no, but I'm not sorry. No, no, no. If you see me at the party, come and see. Doesn't mean to live another so much shame. But I'm not sorry. You should know beautiful girls all over the world. I could be chasing, but my time could be wasted. Ain't got much. might say hi, I might say hey, hey. Girl, you don't worry about what they say, and they got nothing on you, baby. Nothing on you, baby, baby, baby. Time could be wasted and I'm nothing on you, baby. Nothing on you, baby. They might say hi, I might say hey, hey. Girl, you don't worry about what they say, and they got nothing on you, baby. Nothing on you, baby, baby. Always see the show. You always out on your cross. Until it's all 64. But you always know what we go. No. Beautiful girl, beautiful girl. I could be chasing, but my time could be wasting. And I'm nothing on you, baby. Nothing on you, baby. They might say hi, I might say hey, hey. Girl, you don't worry about what they say, and they got nothing on you, baby. Nothing on you, baby, baby, baby. Sure ka mag-rap ka talaga ha? Walang sabay ito ha? Ito first time mag-rap ako. Mag-rap talaga si Adrian. Ngayon lang to. Shit. Oh God. There's a world out there that we should take right here. Close your eyes, right here at the rocket song with the light. Oh, here we go, yo. Oh, here we go, yo. Out of here. Hold my hands if you feel head. Close your eyes, close your eyes, rock it until it's all this ride. Take my head, close your eyes, put you right here, rock it until it's right. Yeah, yeah. Oh, oh, here we go, go, yeah. Oh, oh, here we go, go. It's right, yeah. Oh, oh, here we go. Roll, 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 roll. Dapat na ako. Shit. Nasaan si Paming Sobus? Paming Sobus. Tonay, lawin ka dito. Shit. Isa ka pa. Jay, huwag dito.
Sayawan na!
Sumasakit na yung ulo ko.
Sayawan na!
Gusto niya, sayawan na. At sasayaw na kami dito. Special participation, no? Baka nabibigitan ka sa hawak mo, ha? Makapagpawisan ka. Last song naman ang 4 seconds, eh. Kaya maraming salamat sa mga pumunta ngayon, sa mga nanalo. Congratulations, sir. Maraming salamat. On behalf of Euphoria, introduce. This is Treasure from Bruno Mars. Medyo magugulo na tayo. you're fine, so fine. Oh, oh, I know that you're the Lord, but you're mine, oh mine, mine, oh mine. Treasure, that's just what you are. Baby, you're my only son. With the ways that I feel for you, if you let me treasure you, if you let me treasure you, pretty girl, you see me smiling. A girl like you should never leave so blue. You're everything I see in my dreams, just to see that if you wasn't you. Whoa, I know that you know it, but you're fine, so fine, fine, so fine. Oh, I know that if you want it, then you're mine, oh mine. Treasure, that's just what you are. Baby, you're my only son. With the way that I feel for you, if you let me treasure you, if you let me treasure you, oh, oh, you want my treasure, you want my treasure, you want my treasure, it's you want my treasure, you want my treasure, you want my treasure, it's you want my treasure, you want my treasure, it's treasure, 'cause that's just what you are. Baby, you're my only son. It's the way that I feel for you. If you let me treasure you, if you let me treasure you, salamat po sa pagdunod niyo, sa pagdunod, pag-design, sa mga happy bagong science day, so all of you guys.